Once upon a time, there was a boy named Waldo. Waldo was bullied by his crush because of his horrible lower third. He had crusty lips, and a narrow, recessed jawline. One day he had enough, and after school, he went on the biggest adventure known in Looksmaxing history to find a way to fix his lower third. He eventually found the sensei of the jaw.
Your lower third is so bad. You've got some serious work to do.
Can you please help me?
Young man, what have you came here to do?
I come to you for advice, Master. I come to your temple to look better and stop being bullied.
Oh, you see, the lower third, just like the eye area, is a non-negotiable fundamental aspect of your looks. Watch the whole video to get my blessing, my son. If for any of my points you miss one, the amount of bitches you get will be none. All links to products and surgeries are in the description below. Alright, listen up. The first thing you have to do is to lose the fat so your jaw can show. You know what to do: caloric restriction, going to the gym and doing cardio. Cut down on carbs, fats and alcohol, and also consume more fiber, water, etc. If you have bloating or puffiness, you need to reduce that as well. Make sure you don't have a high salt diet and that you're fully digesting your food and not speedrunning it like Nikocado avocado.
Bruh.
If the problem persists, you may need to check your gut and take probiotics. The second thing you can do, my son, is mewing. As long as you don't have a narrow upper palate, you should be able to mew, which consists of pressing your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth 24/7. This will correct the positioning of all of your facial bones, including your jaw. To make sure you're mewing throughout the night, make sure to tape your mouth shut. If you have a narrow upper palate to the point where you can't press your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth, get a palate expander, which will clear the way for your tongue to be able to mew over time. If you want quick results or are older than 25, then you are left with getting jaw surgery, as your bones are not malleable enough to mew. The third thing that you can do is to get facial hair. If you do not have the best jaw, facial hair will save you, as it will be able to hide all of your jaw's flaws. Growing a goatee can help hide a weak chin and give the illusion of a stronger chin. Getting a full beard gives the appearance of a better jaw overall, etc. If you need help on growing a full beard, applying minoxidil, biotin, and derm rolling it on your beard will help you grow out a full beard. And make sure to keep it well kept, trimmed, and soft. Make sure it doesn't turn into an ugly, prickly, unkept jungle. If you have a great jaw, it's recommended that you go clean shaven. The fourth thing you can do to improve your jaw is chewing. If you have inward gonions, you ideally want to make them look more outward via chewing. We can achieve such a result via chewing mastic gum. This expands the muscles near the gonions, giving an outward appearance. Make sure you're chewing equally on both sides of your face, or else your face will be asymmetrical. The fifth thing you can do is enhance your gonial angle. This can be achieved again via mewing or via jaw implants. The ideal gonial angle is between 115 and 130. The sixth thing you can do is lengthening your ramus. If you have a short ramus and you have craniofacial dystrophy, you can start mewing to fix the problem, as mewing brings your jaw outwards and downwards, which may help. If that doesn't help, you're left with getting surgery to lengthen it. And the seventh thing you can do to improve your lower third is improve your chin. For those with a double chin, you can perform hyoid exercises to reduce the presence of a double chin. If you have a butt chin, using volufiline on the cracks of your butt chin will help fix it, as volufiline has lipofilling effects. You could also get surgery as well. If you are not recessed but have a weak chin, bone smashing or getting a genioplasty is also a solution to enhance your chin as well. And last but not least, the lips. You really think any woman would want to kiss those lips? Yeah, don't have bad lips. One trick you can do to get fuller lips if you have thin lips is using volufiline, for reasons stated earlier. If you want them to be softer, brush your lips with a toothpaste and use chapstick on them so they are soft and not dry. If you have these nasty dark lips, Using lip bleaching products will help you restore your lips. If you have the lips of a bum, the kisses you'll get will be none, my little one. Thank you for listening to my advice, young one. I shall give you the blessing of an elite lower third.